Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
All right, so we are back. Well, today, before I jump into today's lesson or today's talk, which will be about keep up with change, and I will go into the details later, but let me update you because, you know, it's keep up with change. So here comes some change. And the first, maybe I should get a megaphone just a moment because this needs some kind of big announcement. Okay, I guess it's better now. So, basically, introducing a new course, and this course is very specific for LinkedIn. And if you want to grow from 0 to 100,000 followers on LinkedIn without, please pay attention, without paying advertisement, without paying fake followers, then this course might be for you. All right. Okay, wait. Let me take it out the megaphone. Okay, that being said, um, check the link in the description and let's jump right into today's topic. So, keep up with change. What do I mean here? Keep up with the new social media features and algorithms that keep changing over and over, right? Because usually, when you get a better understanding on how things work or don't work, suddenly you see that they change everything. They change the whole game. It's like you are back to the land of despair, the Western land. So, the idea is keep monitoring how the social outlet that you are in are changing. You know, if you are on YouTube, I'm sure YouTube from time to time change everything. Now they are, for example, pushing the shorts. So if you have a normal YouTube video with, the standard video, which is like 10, 20, 1 hour long, you might want to consider to take a look on the shorts because they are pushing that specific feature on YouTube. Twitter now, new owner, right? So things change there as well. Instagram and LinkedIn, Facebook, and so on. So you need to be involving your game all the time. So do they announce some plan to add some feature in the future? Uh, just get ready. Be ahead of the game. Or they change the privacy settings or anything that affects you need to be a concern as well. Why I left Facebook is because they keep changing the privacy agreement, and I couldn't. That's just broke the trust, so I move out. So let's talk about the feed distribution algorithm on those platforms, right? Because you can put all your efforts, you go back to listen to the whole podcast and you act on it and you do all the tactics that I share here, all this strategy, but suddenly become a trash because they just changed the algorithm and everything that worked didn't work anymore. So remember, the holy grail of those social media outlets is to push you to buy something, sign up for the advertisements, right? The people or the company who is paying for the advertisement. So they want to put the ads in your face all the time. So with that in mind, you are fighting with that because you are trying to um, share something that you're not paying for, right? You're sharing your content or your idea, but they don't make any money from that. Of course, they appreciate that you are using the system, but if they have to push an ad on your feed or somebody's feed or your own content, of course they're gonna go for the ad thing because they make money out of that, right? So if you don't control the feed distribution, no matter how brilliant is the post you wrote, it will go nowhere, right? So you need to find a ways to hack that limitation. So if you are into LinkedIn, go to my course and I will teach you those hack uh, things that you can bypass the algorithm, right, and grow. So, but there are later. I'm trying to go another social media and do the same thing, like a course on that. But as today, just one example. Sorry. By default, LinkedIn feed is sort by top updates, right? These posts are populated based on the user's activity. For example, uh, if your account regularly interact with some person you're following and you're giving likes, sharing, and comments, so you're gonna see more of his content, right? So that's how more or less LinkedIn algorithm work. So you wanna make sure that you have a lot of reaction in your posts. So the more reactions you get it, like, share. That's why you see all these YouTubers pushing for likes and sharing and subscribe all the time, right? Because they know the game. They know that the more you like a video, you're gonna see the next video. YouTube will push for you their content over and over. So that's the end game. So remember, so the more reaction generation you generate from your listeners or your followers, the more they will see your future posts. So that's the game. All right. So as action, study how the algorithm in your particular social media outlet works today. Again, if you have an idea how what is the direction that your social media platform is going, it's better. But if you don't have any clue, study what things how the things works today, right? Check for ways to bypass any gatekeeper code that blocks or slow down your efforts to reach more listeners. And again, if you're on LinkedIn, I will teach you that, right? All right, so that's it for today. See you next Monday. Take care.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.